Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are eating a very healthy food at your home. Okay children. So this is the class 2 children EVS lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, clothes for us. This is the third question children. Let us see what is there in the third question. How you have to write? You have to leave one line after the second answer and then you have to write this third question. Okay children. What is the third question? Let us see. After the margin you have to write 3Q. Okay, then you have to write in the blue lines and red lines in your notebook. Okay, first one should be capital. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where, do we, D-O, do, W-E-V, G-E-T, get, S-I-L-K, silk, F-R-O-M, from. Where do we get silk from? Okay. W-H-A-T, after keeping the question mark, it's from your textbook itself. Okay. W-H-A-T, first one should be capital. Okay. What is silk? S-I-L-K, silk. U-S-E-D, used. F-O-R, for. Where do we get silk from? What is silk used for? This you have to write in your notebook. Let us see what will be the answer. Okay children. Third answer is, first one should be what? Capital W. E. O-E. O-E, get. G-E-T, get. S-I-L-K, silk. F-R-O-M, from. We get silk from silkworms. S-I-L-K, silk. W-O-R-M-S, silkworms. Okay. After that you have to keep full stop. This is first answer. Like where do we get silk from? We get silk from silkworms. Please write the correct spelling for silkworms. Okay children, I have to underline this. Please line after this, please write the silkworms. Okay, because where we are getting the silk from? We get the silk from silkworms. Okay. Next question is, what is silk used for? What is the answer? After keeping the full stop here, you have to write the capital S. Yes, here. Silk is used to make, M-A-K-E, make, scarves, S-C-A-R-V-E-S, scarves. Please write down children, S-C-A-R-V-E-S, scarves. Saris, after scarves, what you have to keep? Comma. Next, saris, S-A-R-E-E-S, saris, A&D, and many other things. And many, M-A-N-Y, many, O-T-H-E-R, other, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, many other things. What will be the question children? Where do we get silk from? What is silk used for? We get silk from silkworms. What is the spelling for silkworms? S-I-L-K, silk, W-O-R-M-S, worms, silkworms. Okay. Silk is used to make scarves, saris, and many other things. This you have to write in your notebook. Okay children? Now. Okay children, let's see the next question and answer. Okay. After leaving line in the third answer, after the leaving line for the third answer, you have to write the next question from your textbook. Okay children? What will be the next question children? Here. Write names of 3 people. Write names, N-A-M-E-S, names. Don't be confused children, N-A-M-E-S, names of 3. T-H-R-E-E, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Don't write there. Just write T-H-R-E-E, 3. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Who, W-H-O, who. W-E-A-R, where. A, give the finger space and write uniform, U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform, to work. Write names of 3 people who wear a uniform to work. Who are those? Those are doctor, nurses, postmen, and policemen, policewomen. These all you can write. But I have given only 3 names, because in the question, as per question, you have to write any of the things like doctors, nurses, okay, soldiers, and what you call as policeman, postman, anything you can write, okay children. But I have written only 3 just that is doctors, nurses, postmen. DOCTORS, TORS, doctors, nurses, 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 POSTMEN, postmen. These are the people who wear the uniform, okay. Not only these people, but policemen, policewomen, soldiers, okay. Those are all wearing the uniforms, okay children. And just when they are going for work, they wore those uniform, okay children. This is the fourth question, and this is the 4th answer. And by this we have completed our lesson number 3, the clothes for us, okay children. So please write in your notebooks, okay children. Please write in a neat handwriting. How I have written in the red lines and blue lines, like that you have to write, okay children. Take care children, bye.